This 2024 Grand Design Momentum 344M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 7, oven, Skylight, smoke detector, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, TV, refrigerator, awning, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum 344M is 15,138 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.